Let's let the Apple Month festivities continue. Today I'm going to be making a Cinnamon Toast Crunch apple bake. It's basically an apple dump cake, but it uses Cinnamon Toast Crunch too. For this recipe, I'm going to be lowering the amount of things that I need. I'm not going to be making a large cake. I'm going to be making one in an 8x8, but I'll be putting the actual needed ingredients list in my description. In a greased dish, I'm starting with a can of apple pie filling. I've cut up some apples and those get dumped in there. Beep, 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 beep. Sprinkle with cinnamon. Next, you add a box of just that plain white cake mix. Don't mix it in. Arrange pats of butter evenly on top. You need to crush some Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. That's gonna get dumped on top. Beep, 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 beep. Sprinkle on a little brown sugar and drizzle on some melted butter. I'm gonna throw this in a 325-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Then you pull it out and then you cover it and bake it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Cinnamon Toast Crunch apple bake. It's extremely sweet, very cinnamony, and I love it. It's a great dessert and a fun way to celebrate Apple Month. If you want to see more apple recipes, check out that playlist in my description. If you want to learn more about Cinnamon Toast Crunch, check out that video that's in my description. I just went to see a play about fly fishing. The cast was amazing.